Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of flowers that like to grow in the shade. Many people think that gardens that don't get direct sunlight are dull and lifeless, but this is not true. But we are here to show you that nature's wonders can grow even in the darkest places. Come with us as we look at a variety of beautiful flowers that do well in the shade. The impatient is our first shade loving star. With their bright red, pink, and purple colors, these annual flowers brighten up any dark place. Impatiens are great for adding pops of color to shady garden beds, hanging baskets, and pots because they do well in moisture soil. The next beautiful flower is the bleeding heart. It has gracefully arching stems that hold a T-shaped flower that are usually pink or white. This beautiful plant that comes back year after year like a lot of shade and well-drained soil. The bleeding heart gives shade gardens an air of elegance and romance, so gardens love it. Hostas are a classical choice for shade gardens because they are beautiful and useful. There are many different shapes, sizes, and colors of leaves on these perennials that grow from seeds. Hostas have beautiful leaves that come in a range of colors and patterns from dark green to striped. They are great for borders, edges, and covering the ground. Vegetables. Vegetables are the best choice if you want flowers that can grow in partial shade. Their pink, white, and red feathery plums give shade garden texture and height. With enough water and good soil, vegetables will grow well and make your garden feel dreamy and romantic. So don't let the lack of sun keep you from wanting to garden with these flowers that grow well in the shade. You can make a colorful and interesting garden even in the darkest places. Let the beauty of nature grow no matter how bright it is. We are glad you could join us today. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and ideas. Happy gardening!